Hello, nieces and nephews. It's Uncle Chris, and I'm back in my kitchen. Thank goodness. Now, don't get me wrong. I had a good time. I enjoyed it, but it's good to be home. Okay, I want to show you a quick recipe. I had to cook up some meat right here. I've got at least 3 or 4 pounds of ground beef. I've already browned it up and seasoned it with Italian seasoning. Okay, so that's all done. All right. So I cooked that up so it wouldn't go bad. And I'm going to show you, if you got a lot of meat to do ground beef, what you do with it. It's going to be real simple. We're going to do a baked penne pasta, just like you do a lasagna, okay, kind of. It's going to have a little bit of a twist to it. I've got 2 bell peppers chopped up and 1 onion. Put that in here. Let that get going. Almost got myself right there. We're going to let these cook down. Hope you can hear me over the fan. It's a hot day in Chicago and muggy. It just got through raining. Can you tell my hair's all over my hair? Just ran in from outside. I'm turning the fire up a little bit because we want these to cook, all right? I've already got my water going. And I'm going to put the pasta right up in the water. So that gets going. I'm using the whole bag. Now, even if I don't use all that pasta, I can use it for something else, and I'm going to show you. Hold on. We got our pasta cooking. We've got our vegetables going. What we want to do is add our seasonings to our vegetables. I did put some olive oil in here, okay? There's no rhyme or reason to this. This is just something quick you can do for dinner and have it pre-prepared, because you can freeze these and then stick them in the oven when you don't want to be bothered. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. People come home, where's dinner? It's in the freezer, stick it in the oven, okay? Put your Italian seasonings over your vegetables. Season your vegetables. Put your garlic over your vegetables. Okay? Give them a stir. Well, hello, Miss Nina. Miss Nina decided she wanted to say something. Nina, come here. Come here, Nina. We're going to start making our sauce. In other words, we're going to add, I've already got some store-bought sauce. This is from Aldi's. It's a low sodium. It does not have that much in it. It's really nice sauce. And I'm going to have another low sodium one from the food pantry. I'm going to mix them together. And I'm going to put some water in that. We're going to put it into the ground beef, okay? As soon as everything cooks down, I'm going to be right back and show you that. Okay, now that the vegetables have cooked down to this consistency, they're nice and tender and soft and all that goodness. Yes, yes. Set them to the side. You'll understand why in just a moment. We got our noodles going. All right. Now, we are going to take our meat. It's going to heat up. We're going to put our water in first. Okay. That's about 2 cups. We're going to put our sauce in. Just remember, this meat is already seasoned. Okay. Mix that together. Put our other can in. Oh yeah. Mix that together. Now, I'm going to let this cook down, but I still want a little bit more tomatoey flavor. So I am going to put in 1 can of tomato paste. Just for that tomatoey goodness we all know and love. Excuse me. Put in that tomato paste. Okay. every bit of that out of there. Mix it around really good. Okay? Make sure everything is incorporated. Now, all the spices I put in are usually about a teaspoon, okay? I'm going to add about a tablespoon of garlic because I want this a little more spicy. And you know what? I think I'm going to add, yes, some black pepper. Mm-hmm. About a tablespoon because it's such an amount. Now, this is more sauce that I'm going to use for the dish we're making tonight, but the rest of this I'm going to use for spaghetti or something else. I might even make a lasagna. I don't know. All right. Your sauce is going to thicken up and season itself. Everything's going to marry together. All right. When this is cooked down, I'm going to come back and we're going to put this dish together. Also, nieces and nephews, I'm going to put about a half cup of sugar in here. You do not have to do this. I just happen to like to take away the bitterness of all the garlic I have put in here, okay? All right. Mm-hmm. Nice spicy sauce. All right. Yeah. That's good. As you see, nieces and nephews, I have already layered the bottom of this dish with the penne pasta. Now, we're going to start some wonderful things. We're going to sprinkle just a haze of garlic over top. We're going to take some ricotta cheese. Scoop it out. Kerplop. Kerplop. We're going to mix this together. All over that pasta. You get a nice consistency. Oh, I'm getting spoiled. I think I want a little more. Yes, yes. Mix that ricotta cheese with that pasta till it's completely covered, all right? Now, add you some Parmesan cheese over top of that. Okay? Mix it up good, all right? Mix it up real good. Just like you did the ricotta. Once that has been incorporated, take you some mozzarella cheese and go right through there. About a cup at least, if not a cup and a half. Mix it together. Oh, yes. Now, we are going to take our vegetables that we cooked so diligently and put them right in with this mixture. Now, you do realize you could do this without the meat in the sauce and make this vegetarian and just add some mushrooms like portobello, and it will be an excellent meal as well. All right. Mix your vegetables in. Mix them all through. Okay? Now, you're going to pan in some of this delicious sauce all through this. Completely incorporated, let it mix on in. Okay? Already that cheese is starting to melt and mix in with this hot red sauce on top. It's a meat sauce now, but you got plenty of vegetables in here. And if you're feeding a lot of people, the stretch is far, okay? All right. Now that you got some incorporated in there, put you just a little bit more over the top. Grab some meat and work that over the top. A little bit more. Work that over the top. Now remember, the meat came from the food pantry. The pasta came from the food pantry. The only thing I bought was one thing of pasta sauce, ricotta cheese, and this mozzarella cheese, which I am now putting over the top. Oh, yes. Now, you're going to put this in your oven for just 20 to 30 minutes at the most. Because remember, everything in here is cooked. You just want to melt that cheese over top and brown it just a little bit, okay? All right, we'll be right back with the finished product. Well, nieces and nephews, ta-da! All right, this is so nice. It just came out the oven. Oh yes. Oh. Serve this up with a nice salad and something to drink, and you have a wonderful, wonderful meal. All right, nieces and nephews, this is an easy one, quick and simple, and you can freeze this. Now, I have some left over in the pot right here, and this can be used as spaghetti. Look at that. See, I just added extra pasta to the extra sauce. I'm gonna freeze this. Yes, I am. So you got two meals in one. You got meal preparation for another rainy day, which is nice. And if you don't feel like cooking the next day, you don't have to because you got plenty left over. All right? Now, nieces and nephews, I want you to do me a big favor. No, not to like, comment, and subscribe, although I do want you to do that. I want you to say a prayer for Salty Assassins, his mom, okay? Unfortunately, she has passed, and I'm so sorry for that, but let's pray for him. He's one of our family members, and we all take care of each other, right? Right. Like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Till next time. Let me know what I can cook for you. All right. Nina, this is Nina.